Luna Classic just broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $9,100 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, yesterday we broke a beautiful support level here around the 18 mark, which I mentioned is going to be acting as a very strong support. You can see we had a beautiful bearish engulfing candle break down this earlier this morning, and now we are acting as a resistance on these exponential moving averages. Ideally, what we're looking for from a bullish case for Luna Classic, of course, is trying to break above this crucial level here at 20 and also a medium-term resistance here at 18. You can see yesterday we had one last wick to the upside before we had this move to the downside, and now what we're looking for is, of course, this last remaining support level at 16. This support level has acted as a very strong support on Luna Classic after this massive move to the downside, which was a huge waterfall effect. I mentioned this to you guys many times, all the way up from around the 31 mark, that Luna Classic is in a slow bleed formation. Ideally, what we're looking for is one last leg to the downside, retesting this 86 level, and then a potential bounce continuing formation. Of course, this support level is going to be acting as a very strong support because of the fact, if you look on the 4 hour, we used this level many times before we actually had that breakout formation, as well as the daily support level also aligns with this formation. Now, I did want to talk about a few things in this video. Number one, of course, is the fact that we are still in this consolidation range, so it might not be, of course, a good idea to be looking for the shorting opportunity today because it is the weekend. There is a lack of liquidity. But if we do get a break of this formation right here, guys, around the 16, if we do see that form break, then that would be the confirmation for that short, only because that would become the third test opportunity. You guys already know, usually on the third test, we do have a nice breakdown formation. And I wanted to point out the fact that there is still this wick and a factor there from a bullish side. If we do have a wick to the downside, and of course the buyers do come in and control that market, that would become a double bottom confirmation, and then we can possibly be looking for a V-shaped continuation to the upside. I wanted to mention, of course, that 22 resistance level is still a very crucial level for area of resistance for Luna Classic, and for the bullish case scenario to continue, we would have to get above this level, find it as support, and a continuation. Luna Classic has failed to break above that level for many days now. You can see all the way up from pretty much November 7th, we only had one wick to the upside, grab that liquidity, and then continue pushing further. So we would need a very strong bullish momentum candle as well as volume to kick in to try to get above those levels. On the hourly time frames for Luna Classic, you can see that we do have the confirmation of the break, which I mentioned yesterday is going to be a very important fact. You can see that we still have our circles drawn from yesterday, and this level specifically, guys, right now the crucial level at 16.7 is going to be acting as a decent support, but I do think that we will see a break later on tonight, or if not tomorrow morning, because of the fact that we are testing this level over and over again. You guys already know from my previous videos that the more times the support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. So what we're looking for on Luna Classic, of course, is that confirmation and then the consolidation. We don't want a V-shaped formation like we saw over here, as well as we saw over here. So keep that in mind if you guys are looking for those shorting entries. What you want to see is a strong bearish engulfing candle and then the consolidation. We don't want to see something like this, right? We don't want to see where we actually start to use a midterm support on the 4 hours, or like even right now on the hourly, we want to see a continuation, kind of like this formation where we actually start creating new lower lows. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $9,100 trading Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.